Welcome to How to Pack with FedEx, where we show you how to pack with confidence. I see you just printed a shipping label.
I did. Believe it or not, where to put a shipping label on the box is a common question. So today we're gonna do just that. Plus additional tips about printing a shipping label.
Sounds like great info to ensure your package gets to its destination. To label a box, you'll first need to print a shipping label.
Done.
For those using FedEx.com or FedEx Ship Manager, you can print at home on 8.5 by 11 sheets of paper. LaserJet printers are preferred to get the best barcode quality for high-speed scanning. Make sure that the label is fully legible, including the barcode. The ink should not be blurry or faded, and it's best to avoid handwriting your label unless you're using a FedEx airbill. This label can be placed in a complimentary FedEx pouch found at local FedEx locations. Please avoid taping the paper labels directly onto the package. If you do not have a pouch, laser labels can be ordered and used to apply directly to the package. For business shippers that have direct thermal printers, we offer a variety of sizes for your printing needs to support 1-inch core desktop printers, 3-inch core high-speed printers, and fan fold format for compatible printers. FedEx also offers labels for businesses shipping perishables, healthcare shipments, tires, highly recycled content boxes, and non-standard packaging. Speak with your sales executive to learn more. For non-standard packaging, a FedEx pouch or FedEx tie-on tag can be used to apply paper documents or a FedEx thermal label properly. Once you have your label ready, stick it on the top of the box since this is usually the largest and flattest surface. When placing a label on top of the box, it's easier for the scanners to read, and it reduces the risk of labels being torn or obscured during transit. Additionally, do not place the label over seams or edges. You should keep your label on a single side and avoid wrapping it around edges or corners. Do not place your shipping label over box openings, box flaps, or tape seams. Another important consideration is to ensure that the barcodes of the label are clearly visible. Do not cover barcodes with tape and avoid wrinkling or bending the barcode area. The entire shipping label should be flat on the box. Make sure that the label is attached securely to the box. If you print the label with a regular printer, use a FedEx plastic label pouch, which you can find for free at FedEx locations. We always recommend printing 2 labels, one for the outside of the box and one to be placed on the inside of the package prior to sealing. This is important in case the outer label comes off the box during transit. Lastly, if you are reusing an old box for shipping, make sure that all the old shipping labels and barcodes have been removed prior to placing your new label on the box. This prevents scanning errors during transit. Check out the links below in the video description for additional information on labels.
And remember, if you need assistance with packing, you can always come into a FedEx office location and we can pack it for a fee. Find your nearest staffed FedEx location at local.fedex.com. Thanks for watching. For more How to Pack videos, click here. And be sure to subscribe to our channel by clicking here. Thanks, and I'll see you on the next one.